Tired of those pesky Adobe Creative Cloud subscription fees? Let's talk about how you might be able to access those powerful creative tools without emptying your wallet first. Always remember to be cautious and vigilant. Finding a free version may not always be the best option. One popular, legitimate option is the free trial. Most Adobe applications offer a free trial period. Head over to the Adobe website, navigate to the specific software you're interested in, and see if a trial offer is active. Take advantage of the trial to truly assess the tools and if you will be wanting to purchase. Explore the software, experiment, and fully immerse yourself in the creative process. This gives you a full hands-on experience without commitment. See what you can do during the free trial. Students and educators, listen up. Adobe often provides significant discounts on Creative Cloud for educational purposes. Explore this option if you qualify. Another alternative is to research various methods and look at forums. Be very careful about what you download and install by checking the source it is coming from. Always practice caution. Before downloading anything, double-check the source, read reviews, and be wary of anything that seems too good to be true. Protect your computer and your data by avoiding malware. Remember, stay informed, stay safe, and happy creating.